Hey guys, what's up? It's Naomi Indio here, aka Mary, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour for you guys. And I have some music going right now, some stressful, what is it called? Some stressful relaxing, I have some stressful relaxation music going right now, and my mom is going to be recording for you guys. So let's basically just get right into it. That's a quick intro, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my motherfucking room. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my ass. It's kind of cluttered. I got a lot of stuff in here because the room is very small. So yeah, hopefully when we move I get a bigger room. Is he recording me or is he recording over there? Like, recording you. Alright, so first thing I'm going to start over here. I just got a bunch of pictures of me dancing with when we opened up for Lloyd. My family. I got my dirty basket over here. Don't look at that. I got my lighting set right here. This is my closet. We don't have closet doors because who knows why. But we don't have closet doors, so it wasn't closed. This is my Tampere. I'm gonna put the word on the street. The pictures over here, I just have a bunch of pictures of myself and then one of my sister. And then I have my TV. I don't know what inch this is, but it's a Vizo smart TV. And then I have a Grand Theft Auto. Oh, I have a PlayStation down here, and I got 2 games to it up here. I got Fortnite inside the game, and then I have Call of Duty, Black Ops, and Grand Theft Auto PS4 games. And then I have, I don't know about that tape there. I got some socks here. I got a little scrunchy here. I got pennies and stuff in here. Then I got little bobby pins back here and stuff. I made this little thing in art class. I got some tissue for every time I get sick. And then I got, what's that called? I won outside this class. This gym class. And then over here I got this little, what is this called? Plastic dresser. I got this little Family Dollar plastic dresser over here. Probably was like $10 at Family Dollar. It got some pictures on top of it, pictures. And I didn't hang up. I got my panties in this first drawer, which I'm not gonna open. And I got random stuff in there. You go ahead and see that. I got like footies, what's that called? Some keto bombs, some a washy thing, whatever the fuck else that is. I'm at a brand, I ain't gonna lie. And then I got down there some important stuff, cause I'm a grown ass woman. Grown ass shit. All right, so now moving on over here. All right, so over here I got my clothes rack. I got hoodies on here because all I do is wear hoodies during the winter. I don't even wear shirts, I just wear hoodies. So I got all my hoodies over here that I just wear. Hoodies. And I got more that's inside that dirty basket. And then I got some little purses that I wore, what is that called? That I wore to school. But after school, this is my 11th grade purse, 11th grade. And then I wore these 2 in 12th grade. So yeah. And then there's my sister's laptop. I lost the charger to that, so it don't exist anymore. Come over here. Wait, I'm out of breath. I gotta take a break. Alright, let's come over here now. Actually, let's go over there now. Alright, so now over here. I already told these about the pictures. Oh yeah. Alright, come down this. Alright, so over here I got a broke ass mirror that I don't want to get rid of because I'm a hoarder. And then I got some Dove sensitive skin wash. I got a Dove deodorant. I use everything Dove. And then I use Dove spray deodorant, Dove shampoo, or Dove conditioner. Dove conditioner, Dove shampoo. I got Dove lotion. These what's this called? I want these when I did track for my 12th grade year. That was my first time doing track, and I wanted 8th place. And then I got these fake ass flowers right here. And then it looked like shit, but it looked like a kindergarten did this shit, but I did this in 12th grade. It said, don't let the world change your smile. Let your smile change the world. And then
you got perfumes down there, I see.
Shut up. Why can't I stay up there? I got some Aussie spray up here and a Canon camera that I don't really use. Can too.
Mary, because they don't want to know every last fucking thing you have on your thing.
Every single thing. And then I got this little trophy up here. I won this runner up for a pageant. And then coming down, I got some perfumes. Most of these perfumes is from Bath and Body Works, but some of them, yeah, they all from Bath and Body Works. I got some Carmex face masks over here, mascara, Summer Eves. Oh, I got Summer Eves back there too. I got my AirPods case, eyeliner. I got some socks, some, you know. Then I got a whole little kit over here to dye laces and stuff. when I get my laces. So I got the bleach and all that stuff for that. And then I got a Why Young bundle center for no reason. And then moving on over here, I got those 2 boxes, whatever. And then I got some Snapples on top of my refrigerator. And then inside the refrigerator, I got
You would think that would be inside the refrigerator.
what?
The Snapple.
I got some Minute Maid in here. I got some waters. I got some chips, some Slim Jims, some cookies. And I just ordered Domino's, so that's also inside there. And then next to this, I have a foot spa. You got the view of that?
Yeah.
I got this foot spa. And then I got some, what is it called? Dr. Teal's what's it called? Epsom salt. Epsom salt that goes with it, and you put it inside the thing, and it feels really good. I got this little trash can that I never use because I just put the trash around my room. I got this karaoke, the karaoke box over here, yeah. And then moving on up.
Yes, we did.
My shoes?
Yep.
Oh, I got some whack ass shoes under there. I don't really care about shoes, so I don't really keep them nice like some people. So then come over here. We're moving over here.
And this is a nice view outside of the window.
No, hell, that ain't.
Of the ghetto.
Yeah,
this is a nice view of the other ghetto.
Yeah, we live in the ghetto. What is it called? The hood. All right, so come down this. This is my, what is this called? No, that's not a shelf. I don't use this for a shelf. I use this for recording. When I record a singing video, I move this all around my room where I want to like place it and do my video before. So basically this is my tripod for my phone. And then over here I got, what is this called? Come over here, nigga.
I got it. It's on video.
Oh, I got my fan over here, and I got this plug thing that got like a lot of, what is this called? What is it called? I'm about to put I'm gonna put it on this camera what it's called. And then I got my AirPods charger. I got my iPhone 11 charger. I got my iPhone 10 charger. And then coming up, as I can see, I got this piano that I had for like about 7 years. 7 years or so. I got like 7-year piano. So then I decided to buy this new computer. Then I decided to buy this new piano.
Keyboard.
For this year, I bought a keyboard. And then I got some heating pads over there. I got a scale.
I got it.
I got a scale. I got what is this called? A massage seat topper. And I basically use this. I use this when I go what's that called? When I use my foot spa. And then up here I have, zoom in if you need.
No, you can zoom in with the video.
Okay, I have some candles. I have this candle here. I don't really name them all. I got some glasses. I got a lava lamp because I was looking for some crystals and I found this and it was like $20 at Walmart. I got a Baby Magic Gentle baby lotion. I'm out of breath again. Alright. Then I got some scrunchies. I got my, what is it called? PS4 headphones and remote. I got my Holy Bible. I got a back massage. And that's it for over here. 333. Record that.
333.
Alright, now record my bed.
We already did a million times, but here we go again.
This is my bed, guys. This is where I lay at. What? Alright, so this is my bed. I got this pillow that my mom just got me for Christmas. It says Mary Parker Classic 2019. I got my brother and sister on it. And then I got this pillow that's
basically the room tour.
That's the screen, right? Oh, I got my mirror over there. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, make sure you thumbs up the video, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and comment a little purple cool emoji, and love, peace, and harmony. And remember to love yourself first and forget what others say. And bye!